Yo, what's up, people? Today is Monday, 9/12/2022. Want to do my weekly Sniper Series review of my Forex Funds Challenge. And as you can see, finally took a loss here. This was on Friday. And technically, the market did go in my direction. It took my stop out and then it went further down. So as I analyzed that, I realized I probably could have had a better stop placement. And well, I didn't do that. I stuck to my rules and I did what I should have done. And I think that's the most important part. Although, even though I realized after the fact that my stop could have been in a better position, just because there was a fair value gap, and I actually go over this on, I did go over the trade on the Friday's video from euro dollar analysis. Let me see if I could actually bring that here real quick. Actually, the 5-minute looks better. Yeah, so obviously there's a bunch of scribbles here. This was a loss I took here. I entered the trade here. It was above 50%, fair value gap. Took out buy stops, took out sell stops. Market, during the stock market, or before the stock market, it ran up. And this is where it took me out. I had my stop here. And this is where I figured, I realized after, there was a fair value gap here that still needed to be filled. And so a stop could have been placed, as ICT mentions, either above here or above this candle here. There wasn't really a high here where you could put your stop unless you put it above, any one of these, this green candle here, this up candle or down candle, any one of those would have been perfect to have put my stop, and then let the market do what it has to do. So anyways, it's just about perfecting the craft, and we're not always going to get it right, and so I accept this. And it is what it is. But you can see the market definitely just started coming down. This was target here for me. Relative equal lows. That's exactly what I was going for. And then, obviously, you can see right now at this point, the market has jumped higher. But anyways, so that was it for the loss. As far as the challenge goes, I got 17 days left. You can see here I'm at 3.55, and I still need to get to the profit target at 8%. So once again, my method is actually really slow, but I'm still going strong. If I don't pass this challenge, or because I'm still in phase 1, so if I don't pass this, I believe they just give me another, pretty much another phase 1. Start over, I believe, and we'll just keep going. And until then, this is still the journey to get funded. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think the important takeaway here is, so last month when I was still in the challenge, I ended up, it wasn't break even, but it wasn't, I think it was like barely 0.5 or 1% of the account was what I ended up with. Or actually, you know what, never mind. It was a break-even. I do remember. It was a break-even month. Actually, last month would have been August. I'm talking about July. For the month of July, that was a break-even month for me. And then August was 5%. And then for this month, September, because of this loss, negative 1.34, so to speak. At least that's how I look at it. The month is not over, and so we'll see what I can do in the next 17 days left of this challenge. And at the end of the day, the month is not over, so I'm definitely excited for it, and I'm ready. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and have a good one.